Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back to watch. So today what we're going to do, if you saw my previous video, we did a decat in the car. So you'll see the video on that. We took the cats out, but I didn't put the mini cats back on. So what that causes is the engine light to come on. Because the car is reading, the computer is reading incorrect flows and so on, because obviously the flow now is much stronger. So my engine light came on. That's not a big problem. All you need to do is put the baby cats back on. We'll make a video about it. Put the baby cats back on and then reset the engine light. So all I'm doing now, I wanted to see if I could order one of these obd2 readers and see if they actually work. Because I mean, at the price of under £2, I thought, what are the chances that they're going to work? It's probably just a Chinese piece of rubbish and it's not going to work. So we're going to try it. It arrived. I got it from eBay. It was the cheapest one I could find. It was even cheaper than Wish. This is what it is. It's called an Elm. I can't really see Elm something, but that's what it is. That's what it looks like. And it is literally the cheapest one that you can find. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where it goes in the car. I'm going to show you how to install it. And then from there, first of all, let's see if it does anything. And then from there, I'll show you the next step on how to switch off the engine light if this thing actually works. Okay guys, so there are two screws holding this cover on. It's under the steering wheel. Here's my steering wheel. Okay, it's just this screw and this screw over here. So we're gonna need to take these off, and the cover will come off. All right, so I've loosened one screw already, so I'm just unscrewing the next one. So it comes off like this. All right, and now I'm gonna just get the torch so I can show you where it goes. Okay. Alright guys, so there's the fuse box, and if you see just above the fuse box there's the plug. Right, so that is the obd2 plug. That's where you get your diagnostics, where everything is done, where the mechanics plug in their machines. Now we're going to try and plug this in and see if anything happens. They reckon that a red light should come on or something. So now we're going to check and see if it works. I'm just going to ask my cameraman here to hold the light for me, just like that. That's perfect. Right, so now let's try and plug it in. Let's see if anything happens. Yeah, that seems to be the right way. All right, well, we have got something going there. The light did come on. That seems to be in. Okay. All right, now we do the next step. So far, so good, guys. We do have some kind of life happening here. Let's see if it works. Okay, guys. So now what we have to do, this obd2 reader thing works. You need an app to make it work. Otherwise, you can't read what it's saying, obviously. So it works on Bluetooth, and the app that you download, you get on your Play Store on your phone. It's free. And it's called Talk Lite. You do get the version where you pay, but I don't need that. Mine is just purely to see if I can switch off my engine light. So it's called Talk Lite, and that is what is supposed to link up with your OBD reader, and then you're supposed to be able to clear your codes. So I'm going to show you now. I'm going to switch on the car and show you the engine light, which I'm trying to switch off. Okay, so when you turn the car, just the ignition on, all the lights come off, and then they should switch off when you turn on the car. Okay, as you can see, that's not happening. My engine light is staying on. It should go off. The other two lights are my ABS sensor, which is another video which I'm going to have to do for you. That cannot be cleared with this obd2 reader. Only engine faults regarding emissions and things like that can work with this, apparently. Alright, so now I'm going to go onto my Talk app. Let's have a look. Should come on. Welcome to Talk. Okay. Okay, now it does say that it is connecting. I don't know if you can see that. It's checking for this ISO, whatever. Connected. Okay, perfect. So there we go. Now the little dials are moving. It looks like we are connected. Okay, so far so good, guys. Now I'm going to go and see. Okay, so I'm only interested in fault codes. We're going to see now, show logged fault clear. Let's see what it says first. It should say O2 sensor or something like that, because that is what's wrong with the car. Let's see if it is accurate. Now it's just requesting the fault codes. Alright, here's the fault code, P0155, O2 sensor, heater circuit, bank 2. Alright, so that is perfect, it works. It does give you the option to go into the website to explain what that is. I know what it is. And I'm getting a phone call, I'm going to switch that off. Okay, so let's close this. And now we'll go back and see if it clears the... Okay, so now I'm going to press clear fault codes. Fault codes. Now let's have a look. Can you see the engine light? There's the engine light. Alright, now I'm going to press clear logged faults. And let's see if it goes off. Can you see them both, cameraman?
Yep.
Clear logged faults. Okay, now it's telling me I should only clear it if I know that the thing is fixed. But I'm going to clear it anyway. Okay, there we go. It's gone off. Alright. So guys, it works, unbelievably. Something that I paid £2 for works. It's done the job that a mechanic quoted me £40, just about £40, to hook this up and switch that engine light off, which would have just come on again. So this can actually save you a lot of money. Let me just turn the car off, it's a bit noisy. So this can save you a lot of money, guys. It's nice, it's easy. And apparently you can leave it plugged in. You don't have to take it out. It doesn't drain the battery. That I don't know. I can't guarantee. But I'm going to try it and then I'll let you guys know. So this is perfect, guys. It works really, really well. Switched off my engine light. As I said, it will come back on until I put the mini cats on. I'll make a video about the mini cats. And but at least now I know that that is definitely the error. And that I can switch it off once we put the mini cats on. So that's it, guys. It works. I'm happy. I recommend it. Buy the cheapest one that you can find. It seems like it works, and it works on an Alfa. You know how Alfas are. They're finicky. A lot of things that work on other cars don't work on Alfas. That's it, guys. So if you like this video, if it helped you, please like it. Please remember to subscribe if you can. I'd love you to subscribe. We're trying to get this channel going. I'm just a little guy in a little garage trying to make videos that can help a lot of people. And being an Alfa Romeo fanatic, I test everything on my car. My Alfa is the guinea pig, and I'll keep on working on it. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.